Baby, I'm playing on you tonight. Hunt you down, eat you alive, just like animals.
I know you've been trying to stop this from happening since I was a little girl, but you were only holding me back. Because I finally realized I am my father's daughter.
You should have kept your stupid squad out of my sight.
Hope, listen to us. It doesn't have to happen this way.
No, it doesn't. But on the other hand, it kind of sounds like fun.
You can run. But you can't hide.
Had enough?
Now that you mention it, yeah. Douchebag in the corner pocket.
The Kushu.
Even the almighty Triton can't outrun a triumph.
Watch me.
Could have put me to sleep. Could have just talked. Okay, which one of you wants to die first?
When did you two even take this?
Our first date. Trudy said we shouldn't waste any time if we both knew what we wanted.
And this is what you wanted.
Okay. I'm looking for the bloodlines of the witch, werewolf, and vampire that created Malivore. Who's dead, by the way. Those land in. Congrats. You're an orphan and an only child.
You wanna play games? Tag, you're right.
No, we're done here. And so are you.
I eat monsters like you.
There is no monster like me.
Vite.
Baby, I'm playing on you tonight. Hunt you down, eat you alive, just like animals. Animals, like animals. Baby, you think that you can hide? I can smell yourself from miles, just like
All right. That's the full Schreiber tour.